Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Xiaomi 12T Pro that is not a foldable, but it's already showing us half the screen. What's up with that? Let's go fix it. So obviously we have a cracked display, and right in the middle here the display is not showing us anything. It's completely black, and we have to replace it with a brand new display. And we have a Xiaomi service pack with the display and the housing assembly already fused together. It's brand new with plastic and everything. Put that on the table, compare it. Exactly the same right there. So we have to disassemble the device, and it will look completely brand new because we're gonna replace the housing, the thing that you see on the sides, and the display. The back cover, no damage, so we will be reusing that, and we're gonna remove it. First thing that we remove is the back cover. The adhesive on this one is quite strong. We need to take it slow. I think this is made up of glass. This is not a plastic back cover. It's not flexing. We have successfully removed the back cover. Now we are gonna unscrew these first layer of screws that are holding onto the mainboard cover. You can also see parts of the battery and the connector, the orange one that is bridging the daughter board and the main board. We're gonna uncover the main board. There you go. You can see the camera and the connector for the battery. We'll detach the battery just to be safe. We're gonna remove the cover for the daughter board, and we're gonna remove some connectors. So I don't think we can test the display for this smartphone, but let's see. More connectors are being removed. We have the main one here. Extra care is needed to remove these connectors. Don't want to tear them, yank them forcefully. There's a proper way. And we're gonna remove this antenna cable. There's two of them. Xiaomi still uses the antenna cables. It's still good. I'm gonna remove more connectors, mostly for the camera and the antenna cable, so we can remove the mainboard itself. Mainboard is not budging. There's something that's holding onto it, and this one makes me nervous. Yeah, I don't want to yank the mainboard that hard, but David knows what he's doing, so we'll see. What else? And there you go. There's a hidden screw underneath this part. There's always that one screw that screws us over. I'm gonna uncover this. This is for the camera system. Underneath the camera, there's a screw or a connector. There you go. Another component here. I think this is the fingerprint scanner. Remove that. It's very, very flimsy. This is the replacement display and housing. It is blank, and we will transplant everything from the old display into this one. So we haven't really tested the display itself, so there's no way to test it other than to reassemble the whole thing and power it on for the first time. You have lots of miscellaneous parts that you have to consider: the vibration motor, fingerprint scanner, antenna cables. So this device disassembles in many pieces. So if you don't have the knowledge or the patience to do this disassembly and reassembly, just go to a local qualified service technician, or you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We will perform the same screen replacement service for your Xiaomi 12T Pro, or if you have any iPhones, Asus ROG phones, Galaxy smartphones, even foldables, we will fix it for you. And this is an actual repair video that we have done for a customer, so rest assured that we have done this many times. You can check our channel. We have fixed hundreds, thousands of smartphones, and David here has been our go-to repair technician, and he's making it look easy, but if you try this your own device, it's quite daunting to handle small screws, sensitive components, expensive displays, and what have you. So visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. If you're not from Sydney, you can also mail in your broken smartphone and we'll fix it here and mail it back to you once we are done fixing it. And this one is halfway done. We will reinstall the battery next. We will reuse the adhesive strips that comes with the battery. There you go. It looks factory. Very nice repair from David here. We'll push that in and reverse the process. Everything goes back in. Make sure all the screws are installed. There you go. So if you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. If you want to see more of our repair videos, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this if you have someone who is in need of a new Xiaomi 12T Pro screen, and this can be a good resource for them. And this one has been a success. Just cover this up, perform some final tests, and give it back to our customer. And we are happy to have you with us and hope you learned something. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time.